Well, this video is just going to get you going with iReport. I'm going to show you how to upload single rosters or multiple, all your rosters as a multiple PDF file. You can get that multiple roster where you get all your classes in one PDF file by going to MyEd, click on attendance, then you click on class, then you click on reports and select BC class list with grid. That'll pop up a new window and you just click on run. That'll download a file. It'll be called something like that and it'll have all your rosters. And I've got an example PDF file right here. It's called initial rosters with an S, where it's got all of them. This is where you're just doing a single. I'll do a single one first. So I'll upload single class. So that's the one without the S. You can download CSV files or PDF files from MyEd or Sims, and iReport will use those to create your class list. In this case, I'm going to do a single roster, and then you just select the block that you want to use for that particular roster. So block C, let's say. Okay, and then it creates it for you. I'm going to show you how to do the multiple rosters all at once. So let me just delete that class C because it's going to I'm going to need to upload again here. So file, upload, create classes with an S here, multiple page PDF. Now this time I'm going to select the initial rosters with an S because it's got them all. And it's generating them all right now. It opened up G, the very last one. So that's the one that I'm on right now, the class list G. But if I go into the CSV folder, you'll see that it's created all class A, class list B, class list C, and I can open them, any one of them now. Now I'm going to go to open, and I can open any one of them. For example, B. There's my B roster. Open D, or yeah, they're all the same in this case, but it's created them all for you, and you don't have to. Yeah, you don't have to do very much. This iReport's got two modes. It's got report card mode, which I'm in right now, and I can switch also to intern mode. This mode, you put in proficiency scores, efforts, and put your mark, and then you can create the proficiency, all of your interns by generating interns right here, and then it'll throw all those files in the interns folder. If you're in report card mode, you put your mark in there in that column. Comment codes go in here. I show you how to create comment codes and whatnot in another video, and you can create the report card comments for all your kids in a particular class by clicking on generate report card comments under file. And other things you can do is, for example, if you've already put marks in here and you want to clear the column for whatever reason, you just want to clear it, you can triple click and it'll clear the entire column for you by triple clicking the title. And it works for any of these editable columns. If you want to, let's say, fill them all with the top value, double click and it'll ask if you want to fill. You say yes, it'll fill all the empty cells with that top value. Same thing with any other editable column, the same thing will happen. It'll use the top value and fill all the empty. If you want to add a row, like you want to add a student that wasn't in your initial roster, you can just right click on any one of these two cells on the first two columns. You can right click, you can add or delete rows. So for example, I'll delete the Clark Kent row. It'll just ask me if I'm wanting to delete that row. I say yes, it's gone. If I want to add one, like say below Natasha, I can just say add row and it adds a row for me. So if I want to make edits to these two columns, I have to double click. So yeah. Right. And then double clicking will let you edit these columns where the first name and last name are. And I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching.